Hey everyone. Last time we talked about how the silent bossy E makes the vowels in one syllable words say their names, or in other words, say their long sound. So like in the words bake, like, and note. We have the A, I, and O sound. Today we're going to talk about some other things that the bossy E can do and some exceptions, sometimes that the vowels do not change to long with the silent E. Let's start off with the E at the end of a word, or really anywhere in the word that's after a C. An E after a C changes the C's normal sound of K to the S sound, like in the words race and nice. Okay, next up. When an E is after a G, it changes from the normal G sound of G to J, so like a J sound, like in the words cage and huge. Okay, now let's take a look at some exceptions where the silent bossy E does not make the vowel sound change to its long name. And for instance, we have give, where it's still I, live, same thing, and then have, it's the short A, have. Okay, here we have some more with the O. And in these words, the O makes more like a sound almost. It does not make the long O sound. So we have come, done, love, none, and some. So just to recap, usually the E at the end of a one-syllable word will make the middle vowel say its name, be its long sound. But there are some exceptions to that rule, and also E after C's make the C go S, and E after G makes the G go J. All right, I can't wait to see your recordings.